Hi, today I want to introduce you to this website called RightPlants4Me, which, as you can tell, it is available as an app as well on the app stores and on Google Play. This is essentially an online database of tons and tons of plants that allows you to research and, of course, learn about all these different types of plants, and it allows you to search these plants based on the physical characteristics. I came across this website when I was planning a lesson where my students have to take on the job of a botanist for a science lesson where they will go outside, research some of the plants and flowers that they find, and then eventually do a research-based project on any plant that they chose to. And this website allows you just to find that specific information about any plant. What I really liked about this is the options to research are very, very simple. For example, let's say a child chose a sunflower, then he can easily go to the side, pick the color. We all know that sunflowers are yellow. So they would choose yellow for the flower color. Then leaf, they're usually green. Period of interest, they might not know this, so they can leave this blank. Height varies, so once again, they could leave that blank unless they know. Aspect, of course, there's sunflowers. Then all of this extra characteristics, they might not know them, but even then, their options will be a lot more limited according to what they chose to provide for this website. So as you can tell, it gives you a rundown of all the flowers that might be on that might have those characteristics. So they can just go ahead and research. And once, of course, they will have to dig a little deeper to find it. But let's say they this was or sunflower, you get to click on it and you get all this general information about them, including, as you can tell, their height, their aspect. Then you get their periods of interest, common name, family name, an easy description. And what I really like is this part of the website. They get everything very simple, easy to put somewhere else. And then they also get these options to explore a little bit deeper into the plants. We all know that a lot of plants are similar, and of course, they don't have to be 100% accurate, but this website does give them a place to start and just somewhere to draw that type of information. I feel like this website could be really beneficial to allow our students to explore, to use this online resources in a very safe website. As you can tell, it's not tricky, it's very simple to navigate. So if you ever have anything in your classroom related to plants, I feel like this could be a very engaging page to share with your students. So remember, this is Right Plants for You.